Welcome to Marble Ramblers. On today's post, new bolts on the Blue Ox. You'll see those. We break the crap lines and repair them without even going anywhere. You'd think they'd break on the road. We broke them in our yard. And the bicycle rack at the back is now a 2-tire holder, not a 1-tire holder. Never did put a bicycle on it. They just call it a bicycle rack. It's a tire holder. And patching of the roof. You can see some of the white. That's the die-core. There, it's a mess. This side had actually nothing really, hardly cracked at all, except down that end, but that's all I did. I'm not ready to return on all this. I put some on, but I was sparingly, what is enough? You can see we're bending in there and bending in there. I have adjusted those slides. And what else do we do? There might be something else on there. Anyways, welcome to today's post. I don't know if it's going to help anybody, but I know some of you will be able to relate to it with the broken crap lines, and always doing maintenance and trying to make your little rolling home much more like a home, much more comfortable, and I guess safe most of all. Yeah, like May 26th, Marble Ramblers. So we were pulling off a pile. It was not parked as level. It's not enough gravel over there. Anyways, it came off of a 4-inch drop, caught the end of that thing, levered it, and it flew up and hit the shit. So we have that. That ain't gonna be too bad, right? It's not, you know what? This old girl's been through the wars. Water came out of there, water came out of there. Nothing came out of there. Not good. Love this carpet though. Bonus. Yeah. You guys see that? That too. Oh, that's the tank right there. There's the tank. Oh, sorry, you're not looking at anything. Anyways, that's what happened today at school. That's the before. I'm gonna clean that all right up. Already got Michael on the job. So I just dremeled in there, made a little cut line, and then he said just tap, especially this way. This is an old chisel, and he says they'll snap out often. If not, I'd have to buy the whole new thing. But it's looking like I've already got a bust in there. I'm going to be able to take that right out. Super cool. So I just got to clean that up. Oh man, so cool. I'll sand that all down. I'll give it a little Dremel, sand it all down so it's smooth again. Nothing sticks on that. And we're in business. We were so lucky we didn't break the black. We just broke the line on the gray and the galley. Ay. So now we just have to get a couple 22.5s. I'll get a couple 45s, a couple short pieces of 1.5 inches. The plumbing's done. All up inside of there, all done. And the one way over there, you see it there, way over there, all done. So everything's solid like a rock, working great. The old trailer's starting to show some wear and tear. Anyways, plumbing's done.
Should gas up anyway, so a gas station is an excellent idea.
So took this off. So I say it's made the 16th already. Here's our spare tire holder. Let's look at it. Come on over to the big picnic table that Grandpa Bellon built 50 years ago. That's all it is. And the tire goes on there. And then they had this on here, but you can see it rusted off and broke off. So that's where it was. Like that. We're gonna put it like basically like this right here, with that bolt going down there, support, pardon me, and one on that side. Then we'll have 2 trailer tires, and then I'm going to get a small piece of metal here, because see this thing, it said it's rated for 200 pounds, and we're not putting that much weight on there, but I've already reinforced under here because it is a shitty design. Right at the end of the frame they weld something on. It's a little bit of a beam to support. That's pretty good steel. But we'll put I'm gonna put a piece right here, fit it in, and tack it on, so this does not move anymore, except when the trailer moves. Because right now, not only does the trailer move, I have all these bungees on to try and keep it from rattling all the time. But it's slowly rattling. We got 60,000 K on this thing. So that's the project I'm doing now. Probably one of the last I'm doing. Get a job, you guys, okay? Find something to do. This we got to drill. This is supposed to be the tire carrier. Let's see how that goes. I gotta get a double plug in here. Okay, used to be like this, one tire. With that little cover on it, sat right there. That's all, I bent that by hand. That's the Scottish in me. I'm not a metal worker, I'm not a good welder, I'm inexperienced. But I'm going for it anyways. A little thick for my welder, but let's see what, whoops. It's a little thick for my welder, we'll see what it does. This is what we have right here. It's got 0.30 gauge wire on it. 1 and 2, we'll put it on 2. And let's see what happens as we try to make double tire racks. Not used to using the phone. Horrible gouge this morning. That's that one eye thing. I'm really having trouble with depths. But live and learn. Wear thick gloves when using power tools. Rack, we're done. This one's over here now. Oh, I missed a bit with the paint. I gotta go over that again. That's ready to go. And this one, the one I made, I gotta cut this into a square for, I don't know what kind of bolt they're called, but so it'll lock in. I gotta grind that, or I'll figure that out. It's old school. There's gonna be some hand filing here. Pretty happy the way it turned out though, because I'm not a good welder. But that little welder really did a good job. Made me look like almost like I know what I'm doing. It's kind of gauby, but that's the way I weld. You guys saw how beautiful those fit in there. All done by hand. Huh. Just like Pops used to do. This is the hard part. Got her. There's a 1/16 of an inch. It's not pulling in tight. That one is beautiful. Woohoo! There it is. The double trouble tire rack. Done with the jigsaw, the air tool, and the hand file. Like the kid at the steel store said, Get out the mill bastard, buddy. And so I did, but that was slow. Still, I got my square edge there. Okay, that is cool. That's over and done. Let's check in here. I got ladders everywhere. I got so many things on the go right now. We're trying to get ready to... Oh, look at the room on this one. This one's an inch away. Oh, that's my... I didn't square this up correctly. My bad. This one's right on it. Right on. But that's okay. Oh my God. Not bad. Not bad. We got 2 new wheel covers coming too. I think one says all who wander are not lost, something like that. The wife got it. She picked something like that. She picked them both that. Oh, the other one's the cat in the flag. She's got very good taste. Anyways, septic's done. This is done. Taping's done. I got to decide whether I'm going to Eternabond that roof or not. What the heck are we going to do? Well, it looks to me like it's just, you know, OSB, it kind of swells. I think that OSB is swollen a bit. Either way, I don't know if I'm going to Eternabond that. I think I'm just going to clean it and silicone the shit out of it and put this new rubber on, which I have, and clean this corner up again where we had the accidente. It's not that bad. It looked terrible at first. Anyways, oh, I took a slice out of my finger, something horrible the other day. The one eye, it's affecting my life. But, trying to keep a stiff upper lip. At least I still have a stiff upper lip. I have this thing bouncing around. I've got to tack it. It's the way it is. That'll snap off in a second, but we'll just keep going. Right here, tack it, and that'll be it. So that'll be like that, and that'll be enough for the welding. I'm putting the welder away, but it will be coming with us. Blue Wax, this kit here, these things that go through here, I already tossed them. They get bent on the end here. These little bolts get ground off, they bend up really bad, so you just cut them off or however you want to remove them. And this kit is like 60 bucks Canadian, I think, 60, 70 Canadian, but it's the right you know, hardness. I don't know what they have here, so I'm pretty, boy, come quick, come in under a week. I'm in the Yukon. I'm going to put them on right here, and I marked this so that I can see them a little more. I'll be able to feel them actually. That's my number. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we down to 10? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I went the wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. That's what we bite on. That's just our spare hanging chain right there. Carry on, Bill. Brother-in-law's raft. Next one. He's built like 7. He's been down the... We're trying to go down the river from Whitehurst to Dawson, generally speaking. Okay, thanks everyone for coming out. What a mishmash of repair events that was. I'm thinking we're going to go look at some Baja again. It's time to start getting ready. We're one day closer to next winter, you know. Over and out.